How to export video from CapCut to gallery. Want to save your edited CapCut video directly to your phone's gallery? The process is pretty simple, and you can also choose the video quality before exporting. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Open the project containing the video you want to export. Make any final edits to your video, such as adding text, music, filters, or effects. When you're finished editing, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the resolution option, such as AI UHD. Here, you can choose a higher resolution, such as 2K or 4K, if your device and project support it. Keep in mind that higher resolution videos will usually take up more storage space. Once you've selected your preferred resolution and made all your adjustments, tap Export in the top right corner. Wait for CapCut to finish exporting your video. Once the export is complete, open your phone's Gallery or Photos app. Find the exported video, and you can now watch or share it directly from your gallery. And that's how you can export a video from CapCut and save it to your phone's gallery. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.